Hi guys, today I have this Easter look for you, and I used carrot earrings. As you can see, they're so adorable with these little bunny ears. So yeah, if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. And I also put like yellow dots on my eyes like an Easter egg. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm first going to take a light blue color and I'm going to place that on the inner corner of my lid. And I'm going to use a blending brush by Morphe. And I'm just placing it right here. And you need to use a lot because this is a light blue color. So to see it, you have to put up a lot of it on your eye. And you can also put a little bit on your crease as well. And before I put the eyeshadow on, I used a concealer by Nars as a primer. So then the eyeshadow sticks on better. Okay guys, I totally forgot to wear my Easter earrings. These are for Easter and they're carrots. So I'm gonna put them on. Okay, this is so cute. I have carrot earrings on. And I also forgot because I also bought a bunny hairpiece. Okay, this looks adorable. Okay, now I have bunny ears with a bow. It looks cute. Okay, now let's go ahead with the second color. And for this, I'm using the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. And it looks like this. Gorgeous colors. And I'm going to use this pink one, the pink pastel one. And I'm going to place that on the center of my lids. And you're going to blend it out with the blue color you just used. And I love pastel colors because they're so cute. Okay, now take the blue color again because it faded out a little bit. And you just place that in the inner corner and blend it out with the pink color. Okay, now I'm taking the color, this one, Chic It Out, and I'm using this under my brows. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a very light nude color. Okay, and now we're going to take a orange color and we're placing that at the end and blend it out with the pink color. And we're also going to put a little bit more pink at the end because pastel colors are really light, so you have to reapply. Okay, now take the pink color again. And just tap it on so the color sticks on better to your skin. Okay, now reapply the blue and purple, pink, under your eyes. So starting with the blue. And then the pink color. And now what you want to do is take a yellow eyeshadow color, and we're going to create dots all over our lids, like an Easter egg. And you have to reapply several times because the yellow color is really light. And for the yellow color, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And it has the color No Joke, which is this yellow color. This is the color I'm using. And to make it easier on the other eye, you just follow the same dots on the other eye. And then it's more symmetrical too. Okay, and now just one more time, go over all the dots again. And I'm using a very thin brush for this. And all my brushes are by Morphe. A few of them are from MAC and Anastasia Beverly Hills. Especially the brush for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And when we're done with the eyes, I'm going to fix my brows. And also put the yellow in the center of your bottom eye. Okay, now put on some mascara, and I'm using the Colossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. Okay, so I also put some mascara on the bottom lashes because that makes the look a little bit cuter, I think. And I'm also going to put on my fake lashes and also do my brows and then come back. Okay, so I did my brows and now I am going to put on some blush, and my lashes are drying. So I'm going to use the Kiko blush, Charming Escape Silky blush, and I love this peachy, beautiful color. And you can also put a little bit on your nose as well. And blend it out with your beauty blender, but really lightly. And also your nose. Now put your bronzer on. I love these earrings. They're so cute. And also the bunny ears as well. Okay, now blend your beauty blender, blend it out with your beauty blender again. Also very lightly. Okay, now we're going to put on our lashes. Okay, my lashes are still not done, so I'm going to put some powder here, and I'm using this sponge for it. Okay, now press the powder into your skin. Okay, now it's time for lashes. I think they're dry enough to put them on. Okay, the lashes are on. And lastly, of course, the lips. And I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in Strip Down. And for the lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Professional Makeup Lip Gloss in Lace Detail. Okay, this looks a little bit crazy, so I'm going to darken it up a little bit by using the MAC lipstick in Derriere. And it's this brown lipstick. And I'm using my fingers for this. Okay guys, this is the final look. I love how the eyes turned out. It looks like an Easter egg with the yellow dots. And I love the cute rosy nose. And of course the accessories, you know. So yeah, if you like this look, then give it a thumbs up and also follow me on Instagram. And comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!